జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 7th చాప్టర్ జ్ఞాన విజ్ఞాన యోగము 22nd శ్లోక. గీతాచార్య శ్రీకృష్ణ పరమాత్మ గివింగ్ హిజ్ టీచింగ్స్ టు ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆఫ్ us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, Arjuna, I told you that because of Purva Janma Karma Samskaram, because of the previous impressions that a devotee carrying, he would be more inclined towards enjoying mundane pleasures. And because of that inclination, he would lose all the jnanam about me. And because of that, he would not come to me. He would approach all other devatas to have his wishes fulfilled. He would go and do worship to other devatas. But what it is I consider all other devatas as my body. Though that devotee worshipping other devatas, I consider that he is worshipping me and I feel happy. Then whatever that devotee is asking from the other devatas, I would give those objects to devatas, and through them I will make sure that devotee is getting all those objects and getting all those wishes fulfilled. So, any devotee worshipping any devata, I am the one who receives that aradhana and feels happy, and then give those objects to that devata and have that devata fulfill all the wishes of that devotee. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma making it very clear that any devotee getting anything from any devata must understand that he is getting from Sri Krishna Paramatma himself. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktaha तस्य आराधनमीहते लभते च ततः कामान् मयैव विहितान् हि तान् Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my prescribed duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, from Brahma's Sirasthanam, head, the Dyulokas comes out, all the upper worlds comes out, and from Brahma's padas, the feet, Bhumi comes out, and then from Chaturmukha Brahma's navel, Nabhi, the Antariksham, Akasam comes out, and all the souls who have Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, like Deva, Manushya, all these souls lives in these three places. Usually Devatas have Sattvagunam more. That is why all the Devatas will be living in Dyulokam. And those who have Rajogunam known as Manavas, humans, they need that Rajogunam so that they can work hard. And all these humans lives on earth, Bhumi. And then those who have Tamogunam, like Bhuta, Preta, Pisachas, they all live in Antariksham. Ubhayoho Antaram Vyoma Ye Rudra Parshadam Ganaham. Those who have Tamogunam, they are all known as Rudra Parshadas. So they all live in Akasam. O Vidra, and then from Chaturmukha Brahma's mouth, Mukham, Mukhato Vartata Brahma, Brahmanaha. Brahmanas comes out. They do Vedadhyayanam, they do chant Vedam. Because their main activity is to do with Vakku, they comes out from Mukham of Chaturmukha Brahma. Because they comes out from Mukham of Chaturmukha Brahma, they are known as Mukhya. Because they guide others by using their Vakku, they are also known as Guru. Because they chant Vedam, which is known as Brahma, they are known as Brahmanas. They chant Vedam, they teach Vedam, that is why they are known as Brahmanas. And then Vidura, from Chaturmukha Brahma's shoulders, Bahubhyaha Avartata Kshetram, Kshatriyas comes out. These Kshatriyas supposed to be using their strength of their shoulders to protect the borders, to protect the world, and to stop all kind of harmful activities. For all this, they need strong shoulders. So that is why they comes out from the shoulders of Chaturmukha Brahma. That is why they are known as Kshatriyas. Like this, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 22nd sloka. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktaha Tasya Aradhanam Ihate Labhate cha Tatah Kaman Mayaiva Vihitanhi Tan. Sataya Shraddhaya Yuktaha Tasya Aradhanamihate Labhate cha Tatah Kaman Mayaiva Vihitan Hitan. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.